Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set the screen timeout setting to never on this device. So if we'll head to the settings, choose the display and brightness category and expand the auto screen off, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order for us to be able to set any bigger value or set it to never even, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. The search bar, you just want to type in Caffeine, just like so. That is exactly the app that we are looking for. Let's go ahead and install it. Now we want to open it, and finally just make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep, therefore will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Or if you want, you can also set some bigger values like an hour or variable. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.